good to be good, bad to be good all the time. Too much holiness, now he dey kill my pikin. I'm just a human, I'm not a bad persona. Your low cash in loro, aye o feni foro.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this purple pinkish look. As we all know, I'm pretty sure everybody knows this by now, my favorite colors are pink and purple, well, with eyeshadow anyways. So here I'm just doing my brows. As you can see, the regular thing I always do. I always look crazy whenever I do my brows, but you know, there is a God. But yeah, I'm just doing my brows and then I'm gonna start the eyeshadow process in a bit. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good kiss on her. Ha, she feeling my way. You whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha. I didn't show what concealer I used, but I'm sure it's the P. Louise base one in Rumor 2. So I'm gonna go in with the Armbeauty eyeshadow palette. This was in a PR package sent to me. The company is called Armbeauty. I think you can find them on Instagram. They also have a website. The palette is like mad cheap. They also do lip glosses, lipsticks, eyebrow pomades, and glitters. Yeah. So I just used the black shade and the purple shade on my lid, and then this, like the really bright one that's close to my brow, the bright pink I used was from the James Charles palette, because there was no pink in that palette, because I wanted to just use that palette for this look. But yeah, so I used the black, purple and the pink from James Charles. And here I'm just like cleaning up my lid because the lid was black, so you have to clean it up before you use concealer. If not, it won't be like as white as it should be. It will like have a tint. So yeah, this is in the shade pink. This is actually my brand, HDBEAUTY COSMETICS. You can find me on Instagram and on Depop to get your shade. But I just showed the shade just so you know what pink I use, because I think I have 4 shades of pink or 3 shades of pink. So yeah, I just used regular pink on my lid as the neon shade. Yeah, I didn't show you how I cut my crease, I don't think so. I think everybody knows how to do that right now. So I just used the neon shade from my brand. Use eyeliner from Bobbi Brown, the gel eyeliner. I did not show it. I did not show the product here, but I showed it on Instagram. But yeah, so because I don't like the Bobbi Brown liner, I really don't like it. It transfers a lot. So here I'm just using the black eyeshadow from the Armbeauty palette to set it so it doesn't transfer. I basically only use this eyeliner when I do tutorials because I know I'm not going anywhere and I know I'm going to take it off right after, so I just use it in the tutorials. So here I'm using the orange corrector to correct my dark spots, so you can't really see it. As you can tell, I'm really silly. Yeah, and then I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Foundation in the shade 416, I believe. I'm not too sure. I think so. It's either 416 or 414. One of the two. And my camera, oh my god, my camera decided to go out of focus throughout the whole foundation, concealer, putting setting powder, everything, that whole process. So I just cut that out and I realized when I started putting my lashes on. So this is the bit you're gonna get. This is the what's this palette called? Morphe 25D, I believe. It's basically a palette for transitions. It's an all matte palette. So yeah, I think it's like £19. Yes, it's £19 on Morphe. So I use that for like concealer. It's a concealer for contour. Sorry, is that for contour? If I want to bronze, anything like that. And then here I'm going in with the purple and the black I used on my lid, on the bottom of my eye. And I also set my face with the Badescu. I hope that's how you say it, because honestly, but yeah, this is a new technique I started doing. Honestly, makes your skin look like skin when you're done. When you set your face, you just use the beauty sponge, and then just like press the water, the setting spray into your face so it can absorb. But yeah, that's what I did. So here with my lips, I'm going in with the LA Girl liquid lipstick, the matte one in the shade Blackcurrant, I believe is the dark purple one. And then I'm going to go in with concealer in the shade Toffee on the inside of my lip to create a nude lipstick. A nude lip, should I say. And then you just see how I correct it to the perfect shade I want, or to the perfect shape, should I say, I want. And then I use clear lip gloss, because, you know, I like my lips looking all juicy and plumpy or whatever, you know. But yeah, I also use clear lip gloss to make it, you know, shine and be out there. So here I'm just being vain or whatever, you know. Showing you my face, showing you how cute I look. And I actually forgot, this is my face like without highlighter. I forgot to actually put highlighter on. So then I went in with my own shade, HDBEAUTY COSMETICS. It's like a white pigment, but reflects as purple when you actually put it on. So don't be shocked when you get it, okay? It's still purple. As you can see, it's purple over there. It's called Moonstone. Someone actually chose it on Instagram for me, which I love. It's called Moonstone, just in case you want to get it. It's beautiful. I'll see you all later. Love you. Bye.